Welcome to Seven Boards Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called a Google Local Business or Google My Business. This is a free service offered by Google where you can submit your business details, your local address of your business, and then you have to verify it. Now what happens after submission of your business details, the address, the phone number, the category and the description, business description, then Google will send you one postcard by normal regular post and within 2 to 4 weeks after submission, and it would contain a 5 digit or a 4 digit number that is called a pin number. Then again you have to log in with your Gmail ID in Google My Business, and then you have to verify your business, and after verification your business would be listed in Google Map listing as well as in Google local search result. So that is called Google My Business. It is very good for local SEO. Let's take an example here. So we open google.com, and if we search here with Seven Boards, so you can see the brand name, the website is there along with the site links, and in the right hand side you can see the map listing, the address along with the logo, and you can see the reviews and then hours, and you can go to the website, you can go to the directions. So this is called Google Map listing. Similar way, if you search with say digital marketing companies in Kolkata, so you see Seven Boards Info System here in the Google search result. So this is called the local search result 3-pack system. So these are the three topmost company names are being displayed here in Google search result. So this is very useful for getting good visibility. So now how to get this? To get this, you have to go to Google and you have to search with Google places for business, and you see this Google My Business. You have to click on this. Now you click on this. Now you have to sign in. So this is called Google My Business. Get your business on Google for free, and it would give you directly with customers and in search result, in maps and in Google Plus. So in three cases you can get your business listed. So let us sign in here with my email ID. So I have automatically logged in here. So this is the listing that we have done for Seven Boards, and you can see this green check mark that is called verified, because the process I have already told you. In that way you have to verify this. Now if we go to Google My Business, I would show you how you can add this business. So you can see here the existing listing. This is the existing listing, and you can add a new listing from here. So you click on this. This is import location from a file. So if you have multiple locations, you can import that from the file itself in Excel file. You can search in Google the sample Google My Business file. Otherwise, if you have a specific location, you can click on this add a location, and you have to search with business name or the address. So let's take an example with some sample XYZ company, say Kolkata. If we search it here, now Google is saying we could not find. So let me enter the full business details. You have to click on this, then Google will show you one form. So in this form you have to write your business name. No keywords, no keyword stuffing should be there. It should be your legal official business name, country and region. It should be street address. Now you have to put your NAP data, that we say name, address and phone number data should be uniform all over different third-party websites. For example, if it is written in your websites in a specific format, the same format you should use over here as well. And also if you submit in local classifiers in different directories like Just Dial, like Trade India, like IndiaMart, you have to use the same format of the address. That is called uniformity of your NAP data. It is very crucial, otherwise your Google cannot understand properly the address and it might not show up in Google Maps and search results. So it is very important that you have to uniformly use your NAP data. Now you put your phone number, you put a category. It is very important, you have to select the right most important categories at the top, and then also you have select multiple categories. We can put 4 to 6 categories over here, but the topmost category must be your mostly matching category for your business. And then you can select the location, and then you have to continue it. After continuation, Google will show you the verification method. It would show you whether you would verify it over the phone or over normal regular post. It depends on the nature of business and the location you are specifying, and accordingly you have to verify it within 2 to 4 weeks, and then your listing would be verified and it would be displayed in Google search result and Google map listing. Now, how to get rank and the top rank there are some tricks we discuss about that. So let us take example of here. So Seven Boards Info System, so we click on this. So we click on manage location, and here you can get the option of editing this page. So if you click on this edit page, so you can see this the 100% complete. So you can edit your business name, you can put your address keeping the uniformity of NAP data. Then you can select your category. The most appropriate category must be at the top, and then the rest of the categories. Then you can put your operating hours. Now the introduction part, here you have to write a very crisp and unique content that should cover up your major keywords, but it should be very lucid, natural, and it should not look odd. Otherwise Google would penalize you for policy violation and your listing might get banned. So be very careful about the lucid proper English along with your focus business words there. Do not overstep here. So this is the basic information you have to first provide, and you have to submit it. Then what you can get after that, Google will give you a Google Plus page URL, and then you can add photos there. You can manage your photos. So if you click on manage photos, you can see different sections like identity photos. Here you have to put your logo, your banner cover images, and then you can put your interior photos, you can put your exterior photos, you can put photos at work, you can put team photos, you can put additional photos over here. So you have to complete your profile very carefully. You put as much as photos as possible, and in every segment. Apart from that, you can also get your reviews. Try to get maximum reviews. Ask your customers, ask your students, ask your potential customers to review you in Google. You can also put some stamps, some banners in your office, so that even also you can use it in email signature, so that people can be it would be easier for your customers to give you a review in Google, and it would be very beneficial for you to get a top rank. And then we go back to this home, and then you can see the Google Plus URL here. You see this insights now. Since this is the month of holiday season, so somehow the insights is a bit down here. You can see the analytics is automatically integrated with the same email ID of this website. Now you see the Google Plus connect with your customers, share and update. If you click on share and update, you would go to the Google Plus page. So this is our official Google Plus page. Whenever you create your business listing, so you would get a Google Plus URL, and this is called vanity URL. After some time of your submission, your Google Plus page, then you can create this kind of custom URL that Google will automatically uh, let you know that you can write this kind of you can create this kind of URL, and it is very beneficial because people can easily remember this kind of name. So now what you can see, you can see here the about section. This about section is coming directly from your Google business listing. Now you have to update your profile by writing regular status update post, similar like Facebook fan page, whatever updates you are sending here. So you can see here we are providing different updates on day-to-day basis, and you can see here we are also using hashtag. Here you can also use hashtag and at the rate mention. So we can use here the hashtags. So these are basically the keywords using in Google Plus. So hashtag concepts we would obviously discuss in social media marketing part. Now we have shared different blog posts, we have shared different news items over here. So it's depends on your content calendar, what type of business you are in and what type of information your customers would love. Accordingly you have to share it. Now you see here the collections part. The collections part are different sort of albums and the category where you can segregate your different posts. So you can see the Seven Boss Digital Marketing, it's a public collection. We can create different collections like SEO, like social media marketing, like email marketing, and we can segregate the different posts in those different categories. This would be helpful for getting more visibility. So you'd recommend that you create your own collections. You can also add your own videos, and obviously in search result when you see that the write a review. So if you click on this, so if you click on this result, so you see this Seven Boss Info System. So you can click on this and you can write a review here. So you should promote your web page and you should intimate your customers to write a review for you, but be very careful. Do not put fake reviews over here, or at a time, at a very short span of time, you say all 200 300 customers to give you a review, because Google always checks the patterns, and if they see something coming as a wave, they might find it suspicious and they might think that you are prompting your users, you are forcing your users to give you the review. So that should not be the case. It should be spontaneous, it should be in a normal slow time interval. So you should be careful about that. So this is called local SEO or Google local listing. You have to optimize this page, you have to optimize the description content, you have to come up with regular status updates, you have to come up with more and more reviews in a time period over the time, and then your listing would come as a top, like the way I have shown you. Like if you are searching with your long tail keywords in the local section, so you would get like this. And even if you put your NAP data uniformly, so even without specifying the name Kolkata, even you can see like digital marketing company, the Seven Boss is coming at top. So this is the trick of optimizing your Google My Business, Google Places for Business page. Apart from that, in a similar way, you have to submit your website, your business in various popular local classified sites like Just Dial, like Sulekha, like Grotel, like Ask Laila, like in TradeIndia.com, IndiaMart.com, then Locanto.in, then Quicker, then OLX. So there are various, you can search with top level classified sites in Kolkata and you can get a hell lot of list there, and you have to submit your business profile there gradually. In that way you can get your listing at the very top position in the Google search result, in Google map result as well. Thank you.